Hello everyone, you are on the channel Eric the Hiking. In this video we arrived at Emberton Country Park. This park is located near the town of Olney, not far from Milton Keynes. The park covers an area of over 200 acres. Entry fee for a car is £5 50p. For pedestrians and cyclists, the entry is free. Let's start right away with the map, which is very convenient. It lists the places you can visit, as well as information about facilities and cafes. Since we came with a small child, we really like the playgrounds, specifically how they were equipped, with interesting items for the development and entertainment of a child. A great place for a picnic. A barometer for measuring atmospheric pressure, hygrometer for measuring humidity, and the well-known thermometer for measuring temperature. Water cycle in nature, life cycles, gear mechanism. Overall, there is plenty to see. Kids should enjoy it. Game of tic-tac-toe. It creaks a little though. The use of barbecues is prohibited in the main area of the park, allowed only in campsites or on beaches for stationary caravans. The park is suitable for those who enjoy walking, jogging and cycling. The length of path in the park is more than 3 miles. We also enjoyed the bird watching areas. There is an interesting duck feeder here. £1.50 for an individual and £3 for a family portion. The feeder uses a contactless payment system. Cash is not accepted. This allows visitors to feed without having to use bread, which can be harmful to birds and pollutes the water. There is also a sailing club here, I personally have never been into it, so I can't say anything. Swimming is prohibited, but fishing is allowed throughout the year on all 4 lakes. Emberton Park Cafe, a great place to grab a bite to eat, take a break from your walk and lift your spirits. The staff is very friendly. In a hot weather, you can treat yourself with ice cream. Conservation area. Bird watching points and educational displays about the cycles of nature. The place is very calm, quiet, ideal for solitude with thoughts and reading books. Just step aside here and rest. My rating is good. We will definitely come back here again. We live close to this park. It is a 60-minute drive from our city Milton Keynes. It suits us perfectly. Entrance costs $5.50. If you come here for the whole day, you can relax with your family. Quiet places. You can take a book with you, read and have a snack. What else do you need? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to like it, because I don't have many views. I need to build an audience with more subscribers. Bye everyone. See you soon in the next video.